In this video, I will show you how to fix your laptop or PC keyboard keys not working properly. Please leave a like or subscribe to our channel if you find this video helpful. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright guys, what you want to do is right click your Windows icon down below and then head into settings. And then once setting loads, you want to click on accessibility. It'll be on your left hand side and amongst these tabs here near the bottom. And then from here you want to scroll down and click on keyboard here. And now what you want to do is enable the on-screen keyboard. So toggle this on. So there you go there's the on-screen keyboard. You can make it bigger and smaller too by adjusting the sides here. So make it to whatever size you like. And now from here, go to the search bar here and type in run, R-U-N. And then click on, where is it here? Click on run. And then in this box here, type in reg edit and then click on OK. Click on yes. Just minimize the keyboard, you don't need that now. Now what you want to do is expand H key local machine and then expand system, then expand current control set, then expand the services, and then from here scroll down and look for I8042 PRT. So here it is here, I8042 PRT. So expand that, or click into it, sorry. Now where it says start, right click start and click on modify. And make sure this value data is set to 1. So I want to do that, change it to 1, and then click on OK. Then close this window here, then go ahead and restart your system. And then once you've restarted and logged back in, your keyboard will be working fine.